This tutorial is going to show you how to change materials on different sides and things of items. I'm using modelling items for this, so I'll select the stairs. I'll go to, you've got to be in modelling mode. I'll select modelling mode. Then you want to go to the bottom left, attributes, and you want to go to edit materials. So then you can see that's all split up into different little pieces. Now the actual cursor is quite large. You can see there it's filling in more than one piece at a time. So in the upper left area there, I'll just change this. I'll just drag it down. I'm going to put this to 0. It'll look tiny, but it's not when you zoom in. So now you can see I can just click one little piece at a time. Now if I hold in the shift key and re-click on those items, it'll deselect them. I'll just show you the stairs. We'll change these bottom two here. So you want to go to materials, and you'll see the little plus sign there to the right. It says add element. You click on that, and then you've got a new material there. Now you click on the drop down box, just select whichever material you want. You can go into the search bar and type the letter there if you want, and you'll find, like say you typed WH, you could look for white. Then you go to active material, and in that drop down box find the one that you just selected, and then underneath lower down you click on assign active materials, and you can see it's changed that. So we'll do another one. We'll click on the plus sign next to materials, add element. So we've got a new material added. Click on that drop down box or type in the search bar, select another one. Once you've inputted that, if you go to active materials, drop down box, select the one that you've just put in there and assign material. You'll see we'll do another. Materials plus sign, add element. New material drop down box, active material, go up to active material again, find the selection that you've just added and then assign active material, and that's that done. And you can fill them in anywhere. You can go on the sides. In fact, let's do that. I'll create a rectangle. We'll actually use a material that's already assigned, so I'll go with this brick one here. So I'll just go to the drop down box for active materials and select, if you're using one that's already there, select one that's already there and you can just assign. You can see it's put that on there, and that's the stairs. Okay, let's do a new one. I'll put a pattern on this cylinder. So in modelling mode, go to attributes, go to edit materials. I'm going to colour in, I'm just going to do like a sort of like a cross type shape. Then I need to go to materials, and you'll go add element, click the plus sign. So you've got that new material there. Now pick a pattern or type in the search bar, find a pattern that you want, and then you want to go to active material, and you'll see that pattern there that's been added. Select that and then assign active material, and you can see now I've got a new material on the top of the cylinder in that pattern. So I'll just do the same on the sides. I'll add a new element, pick the material that I want, it's taking too long here. I'll go for this hologram one, and then I'll go to active material, select the hologram and then assign active material, and that should show you like a hologram type effect. The main body, the default colour, I'm just going to change that to like a brick type material, and then we'll do one more. We'll do a cube. So I'm going to split this up. I'm going to use I'll go in modelling mode. I'm going to use poly edit, and I'm going to do a bevel on the edge, and then I'm going to put some splits down the like edge loops around the sides, and we'll colour those differently. So I'll select the bevel. You'll see I've got it's like an edge now on the top of the cube. We'll change that to a different material, and if I go in poly edit again, I'll go to, where is it, edge loop. I knew I'd find it eventually. and we just put some lines around the edge of the front face. These can be used for splitting the item up. You can stretch things out, push them in. There's quite a lot you can do with them, but I'm just going to use this for changing materials. So now when I go on active material, you can actually see there it's split up in the areas where I put lines around and things. It's actually split, and I can add material into those areas. So I'll just finish this little bit off just to make it neat. Right, we'll add the element there. In the drop down box we'll select, I'll find something, use this one here. I'll find it in that drop down box, and then I'll go to assign active material. And this middle one here, I'll just add a new element. In the drop down box I'll select another material of the brick. I'll select it in there and then assign, and that should add those. Right, we'll do the bevel one. If you go too far over, you just press the shift key. The camera's moving a bit quick. You can hold the shift key and select again, and it'll deselect the area. Like the little bit down there, look. I've gone over into that, so I'll hold the shift key. I'll click on that and it takes it away. I might as well do I'll do the other corner as well. In fact, I might even add, I'll briefly add just a little bit down the side, just so you can see. Right, I'll add an element in. Now I'll find a material. I'll pick that one. Right, I'll find that inactive material in that drop down box, and then I'll go to assign active material, and you'll see it's changed that colour. And then the default colour, should we have that? I'll just pick black, it's up near the top. Is it just there? I'll pick blue, I missed it. Right, there it is, and that's it done. So I'm just showing you can change materials on these modelled items.